and it goes down to 8, and 4 races, and it goes down 40 of your championship board. That'd be the final race at Homestead. We do have stage racing. The stage for tonight's race will be at lap 35. A couple rolls
you
as
disqualified
well.
me. You say 35.
Races outside of road courses will be 17. New rules on post-race etiquette.
Can you do that on fuel?
County limit some of the wrecking that goes on after the race is over, so kind of calm your jets there when the race is over, kind of just treat it like it's still going on, so no more intentional wrecking after the race is over, and also we should only have the winner doing burnouts, because you're like,
I do what I want!
half the field doing burnouts.
Shut up,
when the race is
TCB.
over, so only the winner should be doing
Shut
that.
up, Joseph.
Sorry, Elijah.
Shut up, Elijah.
Anyway, if anyone else
Shut
got
up,
like any questions
egghead
or
man.
anything, just, let me know before we get going here.
Mr. Krabs, Pool Langston, SpongeBob.
He spelled idiot wrong.
Yeah, he sure did.
Aaron, your truck doesn't look as good.
Hey, Revan.
Stage is 35.
You don't get the joke, buddy.
Okay, I don't get it.
Hey, get the hell back in here so I can yell at you.
If someone use my bathroom.
Yeah, Corey.
What?
I'm tired of your shit. What?
Yeah, we're tired of your poop.
Hey, Revan, what's the stage?
Oh,
I don't want to be constipated, so I gotta poop sometimes.
Wait for me! Ow, 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 cat, get down. That's my damn knee!
Ow.
Oh, what is
Now
this?
I'm bored.
Hey, Revan.
Join the club.
What's the
I
stage?
was on. So, Daniel, he said
stand
wait
for
for
a
me.
million
I'm like,
times.
hey, we need to wait for him.
Oh.
So I caused
I
3
screwed
wrecks
that one up.
and-
Oh,
Ooh.
gosh!
Up. Daniel's done. Daniel's done.
Get him out of here, coach.
Whoa.
29.
Oh, looks like you can't have any more fun. No fun
Our first boo of the season, and we haven't even gotten to the race yet.
Oh, I'm one from. Oh, shoot, I'm one away from being DQ'd.
Revolt.
This is horse shit.
Yeah, this is horse shit.
Horseplay.
Oh, my puppy.
Yeah,
dog.
I don't even know what the stage is.
30.
That's 35. You son of a bitch.
Yeah, you disqualify me for wrecking people, yet fucking you can't even say 35. You shouldn't me.
Oh,
You say 35. You say 35.
Well, Tyler should be disqualified now.
So I
There's
tried
30
to take a
seconds
picture.
left. Calm down.
I tried to take a picture in time, but I was just a light. The car in front of me, his license plate was
I'm still alive.
PHREE,
Or
and I thought
not
of Revan.
disqualified.
And I couldn't take the picture in time. The car drove away, and I was really upset. But I laughed pretty hard.
Good one, Sean.
I mean, why don't you shut the fuck up, TCB?
Whoa.
Oh,
Hey,
wow.
Listen, big
Holy
dog.
shit.
I'm scratching my belly
There's
button
50
right
people
now.
like
Fucking Rip Zell, dude.
You like
with
that?
33
I'm
A's.
scratching
It's
my belly button.
I'm wearing
Oh,
3
man,
pairs of
I
underwear
can't
right
even get
now.
What's our
Pole again.
plan here, TCB? Well, you can't qualify, so you're starting.
Tempers flaring,
I
boys!
could qualify.
Oh.
Right?
At speed now. Keep
it
on
3,500. So now I can't qualify, Revan?
That
This is how
says
you
in the
gonna do me?
rules thing he made in it.
Yeah,
I thought.
I'm gonna go get ice cream now. I'm angry.
I thought he said if you got DQ'd in practice, you couldn't qualify. I don't know.
I changed that.
Stop reciting
Oh my
the
God.
rules.
Oh, God damn it, Revan.
Y'all look at the damn rules too much.
Oh, I mean,
Quit
if they're
reciting.
DQ for qualifying,
The
they
Kansas
can't
was down
race,
on the
so-
other side.
Was that?
What the-
Really?
Yes, that's how. Yes, the service is
I didn't
stupid.
take DQ. I'm just.
Dairy Queen, yes.
You're not even listening to what I said.
Dairy Queen.
Well, I can't hear you over a million people yelling.
I was talking to Will.
No. No, I know
fuck
exactly
you,
what you
Corey, do you
mean.
got the radio on?
Fuck you.
Okay.
So what are we
I'm
gonna
probably
do
gonna
with those
qualify
people who
last.
then violate that rule?
I'm gonna do the.
It's happy
Wait.
7-Eleven, guys. Make
Sean,
it
Wait,
look
what?
good.
What rule?
Alright.
Sean,
I'm not gonna qualify, so.
what's your offset?
Temper.
Every time,
6.
the new rule. Every time
Negative
somebody
6.
enters, you must play an
6.
ESPN theme.
So
It was
positive
negative
6.
6. I would have said negative 6.
How many
I'm
fast
sorry, I
repairs
couldn't
we
hear
got?
you. Clydesdale was talking.
But how many fast repairs?
14.
14? That's a lot.
Holy. Whole race is gonna be under caution.
Well, I mean,
Wait,
that's
what?
gonna happen anyways.
Mel! He has freaking
What?
6 X's to qualify.
You what?
Fucking Duke.
That's enough.
Congratulations! You just set the sport back 30 years with that move.
I love that.
Rudy just
So
talked to the
good.
entire national anthem.
Nope.
I don't think he
Oh my
realized
God.
the mic was open.
Theme song time.
Green, green!
Holy shit.
Green scared me.
Dude, I'm moving.
We are
my
Wow.
Now.
Shit's loud.
Beautiful.
Let's stop doing
I
that.
love it. Well, I mean,
Green.
okay, we can't. Okay, we can't. You know, bass boost them, but I'm still gonna play my damn themes. It's the ESPN era, goddammit.
I just want to let you know that the 49 Craig Galligan joined and then never joined the session, so he's just taking up a spot.
Don't merge yet.
Just FYI.
Oh, nice.
What a dick. Time to get rid of him.
As if we shouldn't have gotten rid of him already.
Sorry.
Alright, welcome to
Never gonna forget.
NORC at Daytona 07.
You got a black flag in pit road.
This'll be something.
Area at the bottom of the backstretch is whiter than certain people in here.
Wow.
It is definitely me.
That's like 10 errands worth.
Me try to qualify just for once.
Hey, Mel.
What's up?
How do you have 14
Definitely not
incidents?
pole.
Where do I change?
What are you doing?
Well, you know, just exploring a bit.
Oh, there it is. That lap sucks ass.
Oh, we have a Canadian in here.
Couple Canadians.
Couple. I don't see two. I see one.
Hi. No.
Oh, we do have
Easy.
two. Yeah.
Canada E.
We John
Canadians
Roberts
are
and whoever the McGee
All
guy
about
is.
Toronto E.
We have 62 people watching already.
Damn.
Yes, whoever the Mickey guy
Stop being faster than me.
The race didn't even start yet.
We got 40
JaVale McGee and John Roberts. There we go.
Isn't that McGee guy from Winston?
JaVale McGee, that's who it is. He's from the NBA.
JaVale
What's with it?
McGee.
52.12.
Oh, bravo.
Lesbian on pole.
big fans, but there's still people qualifying, so don't say much.
Keep your foot in it. Keep your foot in it.
I think 22 incidents is enough for me.
Jesus Christ.
God.
Get 30 so Revan has to DQ
Was
you.
that just during qualifying?
That's a DQ.
Yep, there it goes. Phenomenal.
Woo! P5. No, P6.
Oh, wait, is Malad in here? No.
No.
Where's he at?
Not racing.
Probably studying.
Probably his internet.
P6.
2 seasons in a row. I'm starting second.
Oh, only 15 people qualified. 10
what?
You lost to Hunter Johnson.
I'm starting third.
He's always faster than me.
Come on, guys.
Corey. Alright, hello guys, and welcome to the 9th season of NORC. 20 race
God, the
season,
9th. Holy shit.
13 race regular season, of the summer race
No.
playoff. Anyway, this is
This is my fourth season.
stage at the completion of lap 35
Alright.
cautions and lucky dogs will be done by iRacing.
Can't hear anything.
Right. I got moved up here.
Turn it on.
Son, stream it.
So?
Who cares? Next week's race will be at Michigan, but we'll be using the trucks the whole entire season, just in case anybody was curious. We do have a team speak. If anybody wants it, just PM me after the race is over. I'll send it to you. Right now, the team speak is full, so if I give it to you now, I won't be able to join. But I can give you the information once the race is over. Anyway, thank y'all for showing up, and we'll see y'all next week at Michigan.
Right. Perhaps these people won't be back.
Shut up!
I'll be back. I have to go to the bathroom.
Yay, I'm 42nd. 70 people watching.
Gotta open my beer.
Smell.
Yay, I'm 42nd.
You idiot.
My frames.
Hey, Jer Bear.
The pit stall.
I wish I could get
Hey,
any
TTP, where are we at?
John, can you give me and Spencer your
Dude,
will?
he's so stupid, dog. Don't ever say that to me, man.
I don't think we're allowed to get them anymore.
Michigan next week.
So much.
Alright, this will be something.
I'm back.
Well, I had to take as long as possible.
You're a maniac. Where's Douchey at?
Oh yeah, I need to push him.
No.
You got a sound muted.
Oh, Marcus.
Watch that speed now. Keep it on 3,500 in second.
You put it in, Spencer.
Ooh, Jose Solis Jr. Starting from the pits. John Baker going like
on the outside road now.
Fine, when I die, I'm blaming you. The blood's on your hand.
I think my wheel's broken.
I think my life is broken.
Who's mine's
your
broken?
race truck apparently, so you owe me.
Yeah, I hear you.
Oh god, TCV is streaming.
Spoke like I didn't
Hey.
TCV, you're streaming too?
I said hi,
Yeah.
and you act like you said cool, like I didn't respond.
Oh, I didn't hear you. I'm sorry, Sexy. I just wanted to let you know that I missed you. And good luck.
This is gonna be bad.
They didn't say hi to me, so I'm sad.
I said
This
hi,
is
I
gonna
just
be
wanted
bad. If I
Alright,
can get
Tom,
to the
alright,
bottom
alright.
out of turn 2, I'm just gonna go to the back.
Yeah.
I'm the...
Yo, I got confused for a second because Revan's truck's in front of me.
If I can get to the apron out of turn 2, I'm gonna go to the back. This is gonna be AIDS.
I should have waited till after the yeehaw, and then I would have gotten a laugh.
Be big ass, right? Because of bumper hook. So
Yeah.
I don't
Watch
know how
out
to
for
do
Cody Miller.
That's the plan. I just wanted to see how I qualified. I didn't actually
Yeah,
expect to be, you know, almost top 5.
Trucks are great.
Why would I lift? Push you until I kill you, then I'll move on to the next
Hey.
person.
Shout out to my
Good luck, guys.
sponsors.
Shout out to my sponsors,
73
Kodak.
people watching.
Kodak and
Alright,
Hertz.
Get the first one going, TCB.
Alright, boys, here we go here.
Wait, what?
Daytona, get a good old outside.
Got one inside.
Oh my
Wow.
That's pretty good one.
Bond lane didn't get going at all.
hell? Who is that?
What the hell was Aries doing? I don't know.
Sorry about that area. Everybody was stopping in front of me.
There's a car on the
You
high
got
side.
damage.
Yeah,
Ben just got rear ended.
Stay low.
Yeah, I got a huge problem to start.
not a hole in the back of your truck.
Still there? Hold your
The
line.
guy that was in the third row did not go at all at the start.
That would be a 34 truck.
Is there a lot
What
of
is
damage
going
on the
on?
back of it? What about your nose? Well, my nose is fine right now, but I can't see the front end of it, but I don't see any, my hood's not up or anything like that. Your back end should be fine, I think.
There's literally people just stopping in the middle of the track.
Yeah, there is. It's really fucking annoying.
Well, we somehow made it 1.361.
Okay, now I gotta make my way up through the entire pack.
Still there? Hold
Try
your line.
this.
I don't want to be up here. This is kind of annoying
Ben,
that everybody
come down.
stops like that.
Still there.
Yep.
There's
How you
gonna
doing,
be
bud?
someone's gonna get
I'm backing up
bumper
against you.
Yep.
Stay low.
Beep beep, merging.
Oh, there's Robin.
Pepper right
Down there.
infringement.
Don't merge yet.
Don't merge that.
Go to the bottom.
Stay low. There's
Gotcha.
a car on the high side.
So Joseph, are you gonna save your truck tonight if it happens?
Oh, hell no. It's Daytona, okay?
Stay low.
You're gonna let your hands up like Danica.
7.855. Go away.
I'm staying right here. I don't like what I'm seeing up front.
Still there.
Why is Josh a lap down?
He started from
He
pits.
started on pit road.
Stay low.
I don't know what to
Stay
do.
low.
I'm just chilling.
I'm going to the back.
What back? There is no back.
There's. Yeah, you're right. Actually,
Still there.
Oh,
You
no,
are the
I'm
back
not.
right now.
Congratulations! You just set the clear, sport all back clear. 30 years with that move.
Just for Aaron.
0.612. Got one outside. Still there? Hold your line. Still there.
Soundboard today's been 10 out of 10.
Hey Mel, where you at?
38.
Good.
Damn,
Stay
good
there,
run.
please.
How you guys doing back there? I kind of hung up here in the front. I kind of want to go back. I just don't know where you guys are.
Don't touch
Towards
me.
the second pack, but it's still pretty close, so it's basically one pack.
10-4. I just don't want to drop out of here and lose the draft, because if somehow this goes green like last year, we're screwed.
Hey Peanut.
I forgot to invite
Bye.
Tom over to here on
Bye.
the channel, but oh well.
Still there.
Under caution, I guess.
Have fun.
Yeah, I don't want to be up there.
That first back's getting big.
Stay low.
I don't like what I'm seeing. I do not like what I'm seeing.
Who is that?
Corey, I think.
You're on the bottom 3 wide. Alright, man, that car is a lap down. Outside. You're 2 wide there. Still there? Hold your line. Still there? Hold your line. Stay low. There's a car on the high side.
This is full sketch mode. Oh god. Oh god.
Still there? Hold your line.
10-4.
47.41.
Wow, that was a big checkup. Yeah, it was.
Check it out.
Outside.
Sorry, 438 checked up pretty bad. Outside checking up.
Oh, hello, Spencer. Come to the back.
Go to the
Right.
back.
Where you been,
Of course
Nelson?
you are.
Got my doors blown off.
Shut up, bitch.
Whoa, Aaron.
Whoa!
I can't make that noise, yeah.
Whoa!
Is this the back?
Still there.
Yes, basically.
Calm down, don't you? Calm down.
Get up outside, check it up outside.
Yeah, Spencer, you good? They're about to wreck.
7.48.
Yeah, I want buddy. Sorry about that.
I don't want him behind me. He can wait for me.
Stay low.
Outside, check it up again. Uh-oh.
Y'all wreck already.
Stay low.
Oh.
Checking up bottom.
Gotta get my spotter in here.
Every lane's checking up.
Stay low. There's
Yeah.
a car on the high side.
That entire, like, first pack is all together now.
Oh.
Yeah, get up outside.
This is fun to watch.
Not for me.
Cool. Usually, when we do 07, it gets like really spread out. I like seeing 30 cars in a pack.
Stay low.
I know, I'm wondering why we're
Yeah.
not winning.
There are literally 30 cars in the pack.
Just waiting for that first little piece of net code to kill all of us.
Where are you at,
Or
Lonnie?
talent.
9th.
Oh, jeez. You're right in
Good
the
job,
middle of it.
Oh yeah, we're not making it to the stage.
Whoa, whoa, uh-oh.
Stay low.
Hey, for a blink, might be a first victim
Don't make
of the
that
night.
noise.
Whoa. Say, roll one. Whoa, How do you have time to do that?
Stay low.
Time. It's a button on my wheel.
Oh.
I need
Yeah,
more
I
buttons on the wheel.
made that one the easy one.
Still there. Hold your line.
Oh! Airy!
7.309.
That's literally been
Alright,
twice.
don't freak out.
Watch where you're going.
Hey, you shut up. I had to come up.
That's
Shut up,
literally-
push me in the grass.
That's literally
Yeah,
twice he's wrecked.
grass
No.
smash. You're
Like
alright.
everybody else in like TeamSpeak and everybody up front here is like freaking out.
I thought he was gonna come down and kill somebody.
Dude, I thought so too.
Oh, the first one's gonna come and kill us all.
Who we laughing
Right.
at?
Myself now.
Like 8 people like panic swerved all the way to like below the yellow.
Gotta
Like
get the
holy
people
shit,
up
that
on top
causes
of the
wreck.
Is Cody pushing anybody?
Yes, I am.
Oh my god.
Check it up outside.
Pushing this 23
Check it out outside.
poor soul.
Check it up outside. Check it up outside.
193.
Wreck.
Dale it.
No one caution.
Hey, are they walking up there?
No
No
one
one
said.
Still there? Hold your line.
Checking up bottom.
Hello, Elijah.
Stay low,
See
there's a car
Oh,
on
hello.
the
there.
side.
Press almost put himself on the wall.
Still there? Hold your line.
Is this said my first Daytona day race in this league in a long time?
Everybody, give it up
Stay
for
low,
Tom.
on the high side.
Yay!
47.177.
Give it up for ESPN on ABC.
On deportes.
Did anyone hear that?
ESPN on Fox.
Bronx
Give it up
Combat
for
B says hi.
ESPN China.
Bronx.
Yeah.
Combat B said hi.
Hey, tell them what up.
One on the apron. Oh, everybody's checking up. Everybody's checking up.
Everybody's checking up. I'm
Everybody's
all y'all
checking
know.
up.
I'm about to check it straight to the back and hang in there with my main folks.
You know, Tom
And we'll
and
be
freaking
back
Reverend
after
Saints
these
are gonna
messages
confuse
from
me.
the local ABC
But just-
station.
Yeah.
Still there? Hold your line.
No, Tom. No, Tom. No, Tom. Go by me, you freaking maniac.
Oh man, I almost killed this guy.
Oh my god.
He's laughing like an insane. He's laughing like.
How about we not be doing that?
Outside checking up.
Still there? Hold your
Oh
line.
my! Whoa! Check it up! Check it up! Check it.
Oh, what the?
Stay low.
What are y'all doing up there?
Hey Nelson, if it's clear, oh my!
I don't know.
Nelson, if it's clear,
Stay low. There's a car
go
on the high
low
side.
behind Joseph. You got time. I'll go to the back after this.
Go talk to my teammate.
Don't
Shut
talk to me or my teammate ever again.
Stay low.
What-
There's a
what'd you
car
say?
on the high side.
Go back.
47.052.
Outside checking up again.
Stay low.
Oh my god, the checking up.
Stay low. There's a car.
Yeah, but it's better that we check up instead of running somebody's ass.
Yeah, I know, but there's way too many of that.
Still there.
Checking up bottom.
Still there.
Taylor, you gotta stay up in my bumper, Chief. Oh.
I'm
Alright,
trying
screw it.
to, but I don't want to bump you in the corners. Bump
Screw it,
her
I go
in
to
the
the
back.
front.
I know, but you were like really far back.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Hey, dude.
No, just like let everybody come on by
Jesus
us.
fucking Christ.
Who did that?
Every time you gotta do that, I think there's gonna be a big wreck right in front of
They
me.
almost have one.
Not like a fucking orgy.
Daniel, I'm stopping.
The bottom's just dropping.
Oh crap.
Janie, you good?
Got one outside.
He's not in the team
Oh,
speak
yeah, that's
like
right.
ever.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Marcus just like parachuted in
Oh,
front of me, and I was
what's
just
that?
trying
What's
to
that, Marcus?
mitigate it.
That's
Marcus
Marcus.
going to the back.
That's something I should be doing.
Andrew, I think I touched you in the rear when we checked up, but you don't have any damage.
Yeah, your nose looks fine from here, but I mean, pixels.
Sean and Andrew, I'm just gonna hang behind you guys for now. I'm not gonna get up there.
47.
Yeah, same. I'm just holding the bottom for right now. I'm not really interested in moving around yet.
43 confused me with this pain. I thought it was almost Will.
Nah, we're running the Trucks gang tank.
Oh my
Hey,
god.
Sean.
Oh, it's a Logano gang paint.
I see
What the
Taylor.
hell?
I'm gonna stare at her for a while.
There you go.
She'll go
Sorry.
blind.
I thought Joseph was talking
Shut
to
up,
me for a
Elijah.
second. I thought Joseph was talking to me for a
Sean,
second.
yeah, you know.
Sean didn't renew
Oh,
my
God,
Taylor
that guy's
scheme
ahead.
for
The
this year.
hell is
Who
going
is
on?
that?
Who is
that?
That's
The
Brad.
blue car behind me, the 10.
Oh
He
my
almost
God.
took out the 43.
You're blinking really bad.
The community back marker.
Oh my God, Corey!
Whoa.
Like
Why
this
you?
guy.
Okay, you're following Corey. That's your first mistake.
We're almost halfway.
What?
Why would you say that? To the stage.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
You're gonna fucking jinx it.
Yeah,
I looked down, I was like, wait, what?
Oh crap.
This outside's trying to drive into the wall.
How is he gonna jinx? We're almost halfway. It's like that's the thing that's gonna
Shut up,
happen
Wilson.
either way.
Shut up, lesbian
No, we
B.
can all wreck out.
Whoa. Oh my God, who's that? Ethan Jones, I think it was.
Who's that, Josh?
I don't want to be between two cars. Go
Who's
around.
that? No, that's Keaton.
Are you serious? You made me lose all my momentum and was like, go around me.
TCB, we're coming.
Well,
Get back
No
to
homo.
line.
Dude, I can't push Corey.
next
I
time you
can't.
get
I'm gonna wreck
momentum,
him.
tell me. I'll move.
Get out of the way.
Got one outside.
Yeah, you know, my little pack of 3 trucks, we are flat flying around there. We're catching whoever the
Oh,
hell
flight zero coming on.
Ever since I went to the bottom, I haven't been able to get back up to the top, and the line's only getting bigger.
Stopping. Fuck, they just stopped in front of me, sorry.
Christ.
Now you have a tiny bit of damage.
Stay low.
10-4, probably the same on your nose. Yeah, I can see
It's
a little
just right
bit.
in the center, but it's probably not even doing anything.
They were moving and then they just stopped and now they're moving again.
All clear, all clear.
So am I like blinking on
That
your
one I
guys'
had to
screen?
slam on the
Who are
brakes
you?
for.
Still there.
Yeah, I did too.
Was that Keaton?
47.
Yeah.
Yeah, down here too.
Oh, I'm
Still there.
overheating.
Ben, you got my draft?
Holy
Yeah, I
shit,
got
I'm
it.
overheating.
Alright.
I'm just chilling.
What the fuck? These cars? What? Oh god, I'm overheating.
Ooh.
I'm sorry, Nick. I don't want to leave you out, but I'm fucking overheating.
3 wide here, 3 wide out of 2. They're wrecking.
Oh, we're fine, we're fine. You straightened it out. We're good.
We have a lap car up here. I don't know what to do.
Huh?
3 wide again up here. 3 and 4.
Oh my God.
I took it up, Joe.
Took it all right.
Ari's slow on the bottom. Go around him.
Just in case.
They got alright. Well, this could be the end of it.
Two wide there. Stay low. 47.
Wow, what the fuck?
Stay low.
Why am I losing the draft? My foot's on my pedal.
Oh, what the?
Stay low.
Try using your hand.
Is that Tyler Deshawn?
Stay low.
Alright, we're almost.
Oh, there they go. They're wrecking behind.
Oh.
That is a big one.
Thank God I ghosted.
I knew that was Corey, wasn't it?
No.
That was.
It was the 21.
Are you guys fucked or what?
God, I needed this. My truck was gonna blow the fuck up.
through all of them. That was awesome.
I was on the back bumper of Nick's truck for so long, my truck about blew up.
Whoa.
Oh my god, that scared me.
The lap truck cost that? The 21?
No,
No,
the
not the lap truck, not 21. Fuck.
78.
Oh, I got nailed.
Oh, Jared's done.
I should have been involved in that. I ghosted through.
Stopped running.
Holy. Oh my God.
Don't worry, I don't. Past the 89 car.
Holy shit.
Dude. Will got clobbered.
My fucking hearts are racing.
I bet Corey hooked him.
Yeah, you were blanking once you're in the pack, but
I
you
don't
were
know.
good for a little bit.
21
did,
was
still.
going all over the place.
I'll take a look at that.
I don't know.
Oh,
Past
that
the
felt good.
89
31
car.
minutes, yeah.
Yeah, you're okay, Keaton.
Let's see what happened.
How many
How
people
many
are
Team
dead?
TCB
21
drivers are
got
in it?
turned.
That took out a good bunch of people.
Yeah, it did.
That
That's
was
less,
Corey.
like,
Oh
less
my
cautious
God.
that could happen.
How many Team TCB drivers were in it?
Yes, that's what I just typed.
Wow, that was a
Thank you.
check up. Jesus Christ.
Yeah, what the hell?
Sean, I believe you have a little bit of damage, but I wouldn't worry about it
Oh,
yet.
we're going through the grass.
Yeah, your nose is a little messed up, but in the pack, don't worry about it yet.
Alright. I still felt fine after that.
78. Got the lucky dog. Let him by on the outside. On the outside.
Good thing I don't have expectations for this season.
78 car by.
Damn.
Yeah, knowing the fact that like I'm gonna be dead last in points entire season, I don't really care.
My black sleeves, they were dead.
Okay, I messed up.
Thank you.
Number one goes to me.
I don't even know if I'll be able to race the whole season, so I don't even.
Hey, Sean, you streaming tonight?
Rip Tyler.
You're cool.
Look at that exit out of his pit stall. Burning all of his new tires to the ground.
Are you talking about me?
Yes.
Don't ever talk about me again, though.
I had to take a piss.
Again? Are you serious? What is it, Saturday night?
We're in the middle of a race though, don't you mean you need to take a shit? Guess he's gone already.
Yep, RP.
Aaron,
Sorry,
if
you
you
okay?
didn't hit me, I would
You're
have
out of
had
that.
engine damage. God damn it.
Really, you already got damage?
I was the one that Corey killed somebody and then.
You caused that again?
No, not again. Maybe the last time. No, it was Corey. He bumper hooked the 21.
Ooh.
Right in.
Yeah, he's an aggressive driver.
Aggressive goes around.
Pit road is closed.
Hey, Tyler.
Wait, did I actually do it? Ooh, I did.
Aaron, did you blow up?
You got a sound muted.
Sound muted.
I think he did.
Get the fuck back on the racetrack.
Tommy won't be happy about that.
Okay.
I was good eating Jay.
Holy tits, I just watched
Jesus.
the replay of the stream and everybody's dead back there.
There's only like 30 or 29 people on the lead lap now. 41, huh?
Okay.
So it's the person that turns somebody that gets no damage.
30 on the lead lap, that's it. Oh my god.
Where's the 52?
Hey, Cody, what do you think of this game, buddy?
Oh, God.
Like, what? I'm not, I mean, I don't know.
He plays it too much.
Alright, man, we're going green next time by. Alright, man, line up on the inside row. 1 minute.
Oh, no. Zoe, are you staying behind me?
Wow, this is not gonna be good.
No, wait, Mel, where are you at? Where are you at?
I am, like, at the line.
Oh, thank God.
I'm sitting on the entrance of pit road, so. But I'm not sure. Thought I would get it. I really did. I went like 80 to like beat the pace car out, but I guess I didn't do it. Damn it.
What stage is the lap?
What stage is the lap?
35.
What stage is the lap?
Be advised, I'm going to be parked entering the tri-oval on the
Why?
on the apron.
Why?
Because I have to. The pace car has to pass me. I have to be at the end of the line.
ready.
If I go, I'll get
Lap
fucking...
35
Black
is the
flags
stage.
for all.
Right. Yeah, look back at the replay. Thanks, Corey.
Black flags matter.
The pace car is in. Green flag, green flag.
You're a maniac.
Oh, I still got fucking for passing the pace car. It's so
1 minute
annoying.
48.5. Don't forget. 5, 5. All clear, all clear.
They're clear, Sean.
Clear high, clear high.
Thank you.
Man, where did the outside line go? Only 3 cars had this.
To the bottom.
Get out.
Oh my god, Anthony.
Don't chase his bumper like that.
No, Anthony, it's just me and you, buddy.
Benjamin Alexander Miles.
Hey, no, it's Francis. Get it right. Pretty good.
Alexandra.
Whoa, hey there.
Whoa, hey, hey, hey.
Whoa, whoa. Hey.
Oh, watch this up here. Watch this up here. 3 wide. Watch this. Back out of it.
Stay low. Still there.
Mark just got a condom on. He's backing out.
You're clear high, clear high. Outside.
There's a lot of people on pit road.
Still there. Stay low. There's a car on the high side.
Mel, what happened to you?
Still there.
Oh, you got a
Hey,
black.
Ben,
I
I'm
got
backing off.
a good old-fashioned black
I got
for
you, I got
going
you, I
like
got you, I got
100
you.
on pit road.
8-4, 8-4.
Jesus
Still
Christ.
there.
I go the focus on Crash to the focus on Joseph right now.
All these people grew up with me crazy.
Yeah,
The 52.
After the 52, I'm getting out.
Yep.
Stay low.
I said exactly the same thing.
52 Doom, baby.
Clear, clear, all clear.
Well, I gotta learn how to do good in Michigan, I guess.
47.7.
Oh my god, I love Michigan so
All
much.
clear, all clear.
Tight.
But no loot, unfortunately.
You're gonna hook me if you're sitting on my right rear like that.
Outside.
I didn't mean to do that, sorry, man.
Still there.
Don't chase his bumper around. You're gonna wreck him.
Stay low. Stay low.
I was chilling back here. When we get lap 3, I might go to the front. Kinda.
Still there. Hold your line.
Check it up outside. Outside, check it up.
Bottom.
Yep, I'm on.
Stay low. There's a car on the high side. 47.214.
Man, of course I'm blocking.
You're on the bottom 3 wide. Outside. You're 2 wide there. Stay low.
Bump check in these cars.
Still there. You're on the bottom 3 wide. You got 1
I think I
outside.
almost just got
You're 2
pulled
wide.
really hard.
Whoa.
Yeah, you
Car on
did.
the high side.
Yeah, Raja's everywhere and Taylor's everywhere.
Hold your line.
Uh-oh, here comes
Calm
Tony
down,
Stewart.
fellas.
Oh,
Go up.
Still there.
Here comes
Hold your
Tony
line.
Stewart.
Good job. The next car is the leader.
your mommy, I'm back off.
Alright, I'm checking out.
Brandon, I'm gonna drop in behind you.
Stay low.
Y'all
There's
gotta
car
get a
on the high
condom
side.
on and be safe.
Oh, fuck. Bottom checking up.
Why is the bottom lane not going?
I don't know. The 4 and the 34 are just holding us all up.
I'm just gonna still there. Hold your line.
Screw it.
The 4 is just fucking us.
Well, cue the ODB music.
Oh, time to catch up a little bit.
Oh, no. Oh, God, no.
Stay low.
God, you guys getting squirrely up here.
Well, yeah, you have guys chasing bumpers and guys side drafting right now, and it's just not a good idea.
Trying to K square. Trying to push
Stay low.
get clear. I don't want to be clear. I don't want to go to the bottom.
Screw it. YOLO.
Careful.
I ain't going up there, so you could have fun.
Stay low.
Oh, I'm fun, alright.
Elijah, what's
Maybe I
wrong?
like
Why
it
you on pit
raw.
road?
Because
Oh,
of that
baby,
wreck.
I like it raw.
No.
47.4.
You have engine damage, basically.
I had a little bit of required and like 6 months off, so it'll probably heal.
21 more minutes of required.
Stay low.
Fucking Corey.
Eh,
At least
Daytona,
you can
whatever.
get yourself a new
My
engine.
drop week.
Yeah, sorry. Drop.
Checking up bottom, checking up bottom.
Yeah, I don't.
The outside also checked up as well.
Fuck, this is terrible.
Still there.
We're coming through.
Still there. 47.205. Stay low. Stay low, there's a car on the high side.
Oh.
Stay low.
What the fuck are people going on the apron for?
I have no clue. That scared the shit
Hunter
out of me.
pushed me and it turned me down here.
10-4.
Still there? Hold your line.
I do not like this.
I've been halfway riding it in the corners just so I can see what the fuck is happening with you guys.
Still there. 47.212.
Oh, I don't know what I just did. I don't like what I just did. I don't like what I just did.
Stay low.
Alex over here shaking.
I'm shaking right now. Oh,
Stay low.
I hate when someone do that. Whoa.
Oh, whoa. Come on now.
What a
Stay
move.
low, there's a car on the high side.
Well, is it gonna be the first edition of Black Car Metal?
Oh wait, hold on, wait.
Get off
Black
that
Car
fucking
Metal.
apron.
You will be, Mel.
Going outside.
Y'all are wild, man.
Still there? Hold your line.
Hey. No, kind of
Still
needed.
there. 47.
Oh no,
You're
we're
going
going
across.
to
It's
God.
okay, buddy.
Stay low.
And
Put one on, 'cause here comes a lap
you
car.
have to pay a whole bunch of childcare.
Hey, lap truck ahead.
Oh, we're dead.
Mel, are you going middle or no?
No.
You're
Right here.
staying low. Go down the apron, please.
No.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh no.
3 wide, you're in the middle. That
Bye,
car's a
Mel.
lap down. Got
Don't
one
merge yet.
outside. You're 2 wide there. Still there.
Merch when he can.
Stay low, there's
Yeah,
a car
get
on
out
the
there.
high
Go,
side.
go, go.
Wow, I haven't been in a pack all goddamn
Spencer,
day.
No,
You're
no,
locked
no,
down.
no, 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 no. He's in a pack. He's in a pack. He's in a pack.
No, 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 no.
What the hell? Freaking
That's not
45
good.
almost hooked the deal out of me.
Stay low.
Alright, time to get this big run.
40.
No.
9.
No.
Jesus Christ.
Get away from everybody. You freaking dynamite.
Stay low.
Get the outside. Get the fuck in there.
Well, TCB's about to get turned here. No, he's
Who's having the wall?
Oh my god.
45.
Oh my god. He's about to push somebody.
Rack.
Oh, Emmer's dead.
You're
No,
off
I'm
clear, clear off
wrecking,
route.
wrecking.
You got one inside.
Anthony fucking Emery!
Line up single file. Get
oh
ready to
god,
close.
they're dead. They're
I was trying to avoid that, so.
It's 45.
TCB, are you good? Are you
no,
good?
he got in there. He dead. No, you.
TCB good so much, Spencer.
That's why I'm glad I'm staying in the back.
I'm
sorry, TCB.
44. Car.
What?
Tom, you
I
good?
just kept the foot down.
Oh my god.
I kept the foot down and your truck came across my nose. I was like, well, you're going to run now. We can hit next time and still get points. Because I would have stopped, you would have slammed into me, so I just kept you on my nose.
We get reorganized from the car.
I just pushed you as far as I could.
So yeah, you
Wait,
got
what do you
to
idle
you
at
got to
then?
hit your- the stage
Oh,
caution scoring
yeah.
Okay. I don't have any understanding.
I'm still at 12 though.
So
I'm
we
at
quit
8
this time, right?
Fuck. Yeah. Wait, who won it? Wait, you get it, Justin?
Yeah.
Well, running without sound. There you go.
That's because Hunter was clear of Anthony. He came right up and Anthony died. And so Hunter hadn't passed me yet.
So was that Anthony's fault or someone else's?
I don't know. I didn't really see too. I saw Anthony dying because he came up.
That was fucking retarded.
Josh, come by. I know. I mean, you don't,
So
you
the-
don't have to wait for me.
Hey, Will.
So question, if you want
Yeah.
your stage points, you
My
stay
engine
out.
finally blue under yellow.
Oh my.
No, this is the stage.
Okay,
Well,
so
you're gonna
No,
have
the
to-
way you reorganize after the yellow is the way you get scored.
This is the stage. This is the stage.
You're gonna have to get a good old
I thought you got it to 8:30.
Good old new engine there.
Yeah.
Huh?
Anthony, I was
I knew he was gonna blow
I
up
have
soon.
to start the
Yeah.
train of wave rounds.
Oh, someone's wrecking on the
Yep, see you then. Alright, bye-bye.
How much fuel do I have? Oh, I'm good. Alright.
Whoever fucking caused that is retarded.
Start looking for your sign.
God damn it.
All I had is slow stop.
7,
Might as well turn the
6,
truck off.
5,
Watch
4,
out, guys.
3, 2,
Where's he going?
1. Stop on the sign.
What?
Who?
Whoever caused that shit should just delete their fucking iRacing. It was retarded.
Ooh.
Oh, you're
Temper's flaring, boys!
You're getting yelled at.
44 got loose and I
Whoever
went
that
down
was.
to avoid it.
No, Hunter O. Johnson,
Don't know how
disconnected.
44 got loose, that was off of him, so.
Oh, truck's
Oh.
on.
Joseph, what are you doing?
I'm all the way up to 9.
TCB. What?
You have camber damage on the right front.
Cool.
Yeah. Can we all move me back down there?
Oh, that was Anthony and fucking Rajah Karuth. You're both fucking retarded.
Yeah, relax, man. I already told you what happened, so.
What the hell, Emery?
Yeah, Emery barely got loose, got in the wall. That's fine. And then you fucking keep turning left to fucking China and kill us all.
What the hell's wrong
Wait,
with
Sean,
you?
I need to say it.
God.
Daniel, I need to say it.
Go, go.
I already said that I was going to avoid it, and I
No, I'll
apologize.
say it. Hold on.
Alright,
What happened?
no, Tom, get off.
Nothing else to say about it.
You son of a bitch.
Yeah, go.
Shut up. You know what? Fuck it. Forget it.
No, do it.
No, just I'll wait.
Fine, I'll do it.
Imagine getting that.
No, don't do it. I'll wait. It's coming.
It's the 25 car.
I'm just waiting.
Okay.
I have several times. Recently. I don't get mad. That's a fucking lie. He gets pissed, not angry. I just press stupid flies, so that's about it.
The difference is when Cheney gets mad, it's funny.
3 years ago in this game, I'd probably get a plane ticket, come down and beat your ass, but now I don't give a shit.
Shit, I'd buy you the plane ticket.
Where's the pace car?
Back truck.
Alright.
I hear my voice.
Start looking for your sign. 7,
God.
6,
What the hell?
5,
What was that?
4, 3,
Unbelievable amount of
2,
angry.
1.
Do I have damage?
Stop on the sign.
That was Andrew's only chance to win, guys. Come on.
Tom, I got some bad news for you. It's
I mean, you're not wrong.
TC, where are you running?
21st with damage, boys.
Yeah, but what are you idling at?
How fast do you go around here alone?
Pretty fast.
3.
Thanks. How fast?
173.
Okay.
Hit the brakes
Oh.
on you? That was,
Alright.
if that was my
Because
fault.
I ran, I've been running by myself the entire fucking race.
No, you're fine.
Oh, I'm 3 mile an hour off.
Blacks out for like 5 seconds, so.
At least your motor's
Wait, I'm
still
in
cooking
second. What the
there.
fuck?
Sean,
Yeah, Sean. Sean,
I
you're
thought
gonna
I was
win.
in like 4th
Where's
or
my
5th or
damage
something. I
at?
didn't know those were wave rounds.
Sean, you're gonna win.
Sean,
Fourth
where's my
gear,
damage?
yeah.
Oh god, 5th place. Oh my god.
What? Oh, well, no, you're gonna be
Yo,
fine.
Justin, let me get that boner point.
I would be at
Fourth
7.
gear.
I would be at 7, but I didn't want to be up there yet.
4th gear.
Okay, I better not choke on this one.
Past the 4.
Track temp is 96 degrees.
I'm not trying to side wipe you there.
Whoa.
Jesus Christ.
Ouch.
Hey, TCB.
I'm
Hey.
coming, Tom.
Hey. Did you get any damage?
Yeah, I had a minute.
Oh shit. Did you get hit in the front or anything?
Just a fender.
Yeah, anybody start behind me, you better go
It
high
looks
on
like
the
multi
restart.
fenders.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
I'm destroyed
I'm like 3
him.
miles an hour
You
off
gotta
though.
go-
I'll be alright.
You gotta go around me, I got speeding
How many
and
people?
unsafe
Wow, there's
entry.
a lot of dead people.
If I get a black flag for the 44 not going by me before the start, can I get it cleared?
Did you see me almost destroy him though?
Thanks,
What?
Peanut.
Who?
That car coming on pit road.
Yeah, I almost killed him too.
I almost destroyed him.
With
Oh,
me,
hey,
don't
we
swipe,
caught
you
up.
insert. Hunter, if you have any
This is a
you'll
long
pass me out
single
here.
line
Green
down
flag,
here.
green flag.
Passing under
Yeah, I need
yellow.
a black flag cleared too.
Bye, Mo.
Clear my black.
Oh my god, who didn't go on the restart back there?
That's all I need. That's all I need. Another black to fuck me over some more.
I need a black flag cleared.
Darn, I can't
Wow,
get to the high
bottom lane
side.
already stacking up.
The lead did not.
Are we afraid or something?
No, I'm
The
pretty sure
lead didn't
this
go.
guy's got
Yeah,
damage.
go around.
Yeah, that 45's got damage.
I dropped a few horses. That's it, go!
Yeah, the fuse, you know, understatement.
Finn's topped out at like.
Oh my god, Mark.
Oh shit. I knew that was coming.
It's like playing slots. I need a rack.
I don't want to go up there.
Slots,
Joseph.
what?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm just gonna,
I need a rack.
I need a new motor quicker. Need to give this pit crew some crack.
LT speed, no, you don't got
It's
horses.
still fucked.
Wasn't me.
No, it wasn't you, actually.
Oh my god.
Shit. Sorry, Tyler.
Can I please ask why you just did that?
What happened?
TCB is underpowered. I couldn't push him.
Yeah, you can.
Come to think about
I'm not
it, you know
dead.
what? I don't know.
Well,
about
I
that.
couldn't go. I tried pushing you wouldn't go.
You didn't even get on my bumper once.
What the fuck?
Maniac.
Joseph was scared.
Why? We're gonna lose the draft, guys.
Okay, it's racing.
It's okay, it's racing.
It's really not that hard. Like, you can. I'm not freaking. Oh my god.
Oh my god, what was that, TCB?
TCB.
Oh no, oh no.
Sorry.
Terrell Charles Baker.
Duck goes
Why don't
quack,
you guys
quack,
just
quack.
go out from behind whoever?
Oh god. Oh god.
How have you been, teammate?
Oh, slow car.
He doesn't have horses.
Get away from me! Actually, no. You can maybe help me. You're the only soul that'll push me because you're a maniac.
56.333. Got one outside.
Teammate, you need some horses.
I'm aware.
Jackass.
Oh
I had to get back on the racetrack, and I still gave you tons of room.
Oh,
I'm going
well,
this way.
See you later.
Jackass.
Like bobbing and weaving.
Yeah,
I
that's
know.
what we need.
I'm sorry. Blame my wheel.
Right.
That's the truth.
Alright, man, that car is a lap down.
Too wide already, and we're coming through.
I'm just gonna get to halfway and park it.
Oh man. Oh no, Lord.
Guys, if we want to catch that guy, we have to stay in line. Don't start trying to pass each other like on the outside. 54.449.
Oh, okay, this guy in front of me is shaking like a boss. I don't like that though. Whoa!
Somebody's in the wall.
Who's this? Oh, it's Caressel.
54.522.
Go, 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 go!
Pass high. Okay.
Whoa!
Welcome back. 151's my max. Check up, Keaton. Flat line.
You're welcome, Ben. And in the part, what I'm talking about. Whoa!
Watch it. Check it out.
Did I get loose? Did I get loose? My bad.
Outside. Stay low. There's a car on the high side. You're clear high.
Wherever
clear
you
high.
go, I'm with you. Pick a lane, I'm coming with you. I'm just gonna push him right now.
We catching the lead back.
Start looking for your sign.
Just a little bit.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
If
2,
we just stay lined up like
1.
this, we'll be able to catch them.
Stop on the sign.
outside.
That's it.
It's faster.
We're going up
Are
there.
we gonna run the middle here?
We're
Aren't these
going up
people
there.
professionals in some
Yeah,
way?
you got pros in front of you.
That's all I have the patience to deal with right now.
Oh my god, always half on the track with these people.
I go to the back. Screw that.
Lap and a half from the stage, and we're just like, let's go fucking retarded. Oh, that's where the damage came from. Fucking people not stopping. Tom just never fucking stopped.
Yeah, this is horseshit.
Oh, we've had the
Well, I
big
mean,
wreck.
there's been big
We've had the big
cautions,
wrecks we
that's
were
why.
expecting. Yeah, but usually we got like 3 get out the field, so like half the field already.
There's still time.
It's a ticking time bomb.
I guess this thing is so close to just turning me.
I saw that.
He keeps pushing me too, like that.
Big bump.
He's gonna do it here too, because he's pushing me.
Oh my god, who hit the wall?
It was me, my bad.
God.
Jesus Christ, what the fuck you doing?
My cat got me in my lap. I hate when he does that.
Meow.
Bronx over here getting all the pussy.
Corey had nowhere to go. Honestly.
I would say something else, but alright.
He had nowhere to go.
A little hairy though.
Nah, look, mine's clean. Like your mom's.
You're not tall enough to ride that ride.
Hey, whoa. Whoa. Holy crap.
She'll beat you in pieces.
Come on, professionals, lead me to victory. I need lap back the hard way.
My bad, Brandon.
She used to be a steward.
You're gonna
so
hook
good luck.
somebody.
Yeah.
Good luck, Bronx.
No, I'm following professionals.
Thanks.
It's okay.
Screw it. Going back to the front, quick as possible.
Get the lead, Bronx. Come on.
We were cruising, man. We were up in the top 5 almost.
Shall we?
This shit. Fucking
What?
Emery. I just. And then Roger just keeps coming down the fucking racetrack.
See number 46 in front of me. Never mind.
Get up there, Bronx. Come on.
I'll just chill.
Come on.
And we just don't fucking stop. These people just.
I need
Look,
some
I like
Get a lap
entertainment.
car middle.
Jesus Christ.
I need some entertainment watching the grandstand and stuff.
Oh, wow.
Fucking retarded. Thank y'all for watching at the very least. I guess that's typical NORC. I don't know what else to say about that. What the fuck? That's it though. I'm out of here. That was a whole lot of dumb. That's for sure. Appreciate the views at the very least. Appreciate you guys coming out, but that was a whole lot of dumb. So that'll be it. Have a good one.
Mic off.